cavity. Okay. So this is how you will get the input part. This is not a part, just I created one surface. This is for practice purpose only. So this is how you will get the part from the studio team. This is called A surface. So once you got the A surface right, what you have to do is you have to do the draft analysis.
Okay.
So before that, otherwise I will tell you later because this will be like a little bit difficult. We have many procedures. Just I will tell you how to do the thickness. What you are trying, right? That one we will see today. Once you are comfortable with this thickening, then I'll tell you those all these things. Okay. So first, if you get a surface like this, so you need to create one geometrical set. Okay. So that geometrical set, you name it as design.
Okay.
Inside this geometrical set, you need to create so first one, as we discussed yesterday, like first one should be your tooling related profiles or features. Second one, A surface, whatever the surface they have provided, right? That one you need to use it here.
Okay.
And third one is like B surface. B surface is nothing but your thickened surface.
Okay.
This is C surface, nothing but your closing surface.
Okay.
And at last you can have the
C surface.
Close volume. So these are the basic thing you need to create. Inside this tooling, you can create the main tooling direction, slider directions.
Okay.
So whenever you are getting the part, you will have one surface. See, this is what your A surface. Without any link, it will be like this symbol is there, no? This red color symbol. It shows that it is isolated, right? So it means it is not related to any other feature. Any other feature or any other datum, plane, sketch, anything. It's like isolated subject. If I delete it, it won't reflect on my any other part. So this is what your surface. What you have to do is, once you got this surface, what you do, just extract this one. If you want to maintain one more tree structure inside this one also, that is fine. Like we'll see the tree structure, but as of now, just you work on this A surface. So once you got the A surface, you have to do the multiple extract. So here just I'm selecting every surface instead of giving the tangent continuity or anything, because sometimes it required to remove this surface and adding some surface. That time it will be a problem. So better once you get the surface, go with no propagation and select the individual surfaces. So individual surface won't show here, but here you can add or remove the particular surface. For example, see in your tree, here I have the if I hide this base surface, whatever the input surface,
Mhm.
here I have the one single surface, right? If I don't want this
Mhm.
particular thing, I can remove. See, without changing anything, I can remove or I can add the surface
Okay.
with the help of this multiplexer. So, better practice is do with multiple extract so that your tree
Okay.
structure won't be this much big. See, for example, instead of multiple sketch, if I have extracted
Mhm.
these surfaces separately, 1, 2, 3.
Mhm.
See, my tree is expanded like 3 surfaces. If it is
Yes.
required, then that time we can go for extract. Otherwise, if it is a continuous part or continuous profile, you can go with multiple extract.
Multiple extract. Yes, sir.
So
Got it.
once you've done the multiple extract, just
Mhm.
join
Mhm.
this surface.
Okay.
This is also one best practice. So your joining
Mm.
continuity should be 0.01 default. You can go till maximum 0.5.
Okay.
In A surface, you have to maintain 0.005. This is what the upper
Okay.
limit. You should not merge the A surface beyond this thing.
Mhm. Yes, sir. Got it.
So I have done one join. I will do one more join. So better to do 2 joins, and I will
Okay.
rename it as A final.
Okay.
If you want to check the parent, right, you can check it here.
Okay.
So parent children, here it will show. So related to this thing. If you want to check this parent, it will be this surface. This surface won't have any parent. That is why it is isolated.
Mhm.
You are getting this thing right.
Mm.
My
Yeah.
final A is
Mhm.
related to, it is a child of this join one.
Okay.
This join one is parent of this multiple extract one. This multiple extract is
Okay.
from where I extracted from the surface one, right?
Surface.
The surface
Mhm.
one don't have anything. That is why we are saying it is an isolated surface.
Isolated one. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I have created the A final.
Mhm.
And one more thing in your models, I have observed that directly you went
Mhm.
for thickness, right? If I have the
Yeah.
surface,
Mhm.
I'll tell you why we are not. If it is a simpler profile, we can go for that, but in that one also we will have some issue.
Okay.
For reference, I will work on it. Just for thickening, we need to move on to this cat model, sorry, part model.
Mhm.
Here it is. Sorry, closed volume. So here we have the thickness surface, thick surface. Why we
Okay.
are not okay with this one? See, whenever your A surface, that is your aesthetic surface, right? That should be visible to customer. So whenever you are doing thickness, it should be inside this surface.
Okay.
So our part thickness is 2.5.
Mhm.
If you see, it won't have any